All right, we're starting our trek up to McAfee Knob.
Let's go.
Let's go. It's gonna be a pretty day. It is windy. Whew. We are on the AT. Okay, take a minute to appreciate this. Mountains. Jack whining. Handsome husband. Mountains behind him. This is so beautiful. How beautiful it is here. Wait for it. Jack is growing very impatient. Trail etiquette. We let the people pass us. Get untangled. Okay. It is 34 degrees and windy on the Appalachian Trail. It's getting kind of hot to me though.
Yeah, come out of this puffy soon.
Puffy. Jack, what about your puffy? He's ready.
Ready to go.
He's ready. Let's go. Another pretty view. What is it? What? Did you find a stick? And this is his favorite part about being on the trail. Finding the sticks. Can't get through there with the stick. He said, watch me. Go find another stick. We are just chilling in the shelter while my husband uses the privy just to say he used it. So, and he's just getting anxious. He says, I want to get on the trail. He wants to find another stick. And here comes Damien.
What are you doing, honey?
Signing the log.
Signing the log for the first AT shelter we've ever been in.
Mm-hmm.
There's a 2-night camp limit if you didn't know.
Oh, that's rude.
What's wrong, Jack? Huh? What's wrong, boy? Jack? Jack wants to help.
All right, I think we're gonna get ready to hit the trail again.
Let's go.
In my Leo voice. That's your tree, Jack. Bougie. Now, can you hold this? What happened? Did we stop? Let's go. Again, just to be clear, Jack is wearing a leash. If you look closely, you can see it right there. Leash. Don't come after me. Oh, that way up there. Continues down there. Just hanging out on the side of a mountain. a look at the shelter. You good? Anybody see that? I said, did anybody see that? You looked back like you were looking to see if anybody saw it.
No, I was trying to read the sign. Very box.
Oh, yeah. We found us another shelter. He is so stressed out because he just wants to hike. Oh. Blue blazing. Come. All right. What'd you just do?
I applied the H2O.
He thinks so. And we're off. It's pretty right in here. Come. We are about a mile from McAfee Knob Overlook. Pretty excited. Jack's excited. He said, I'm just happy to be here. Pretty much. So pretty. Ooh. What I get for not paying attention. The trail is pretty much a spring. Jack, let's go. Go, go. Okay, now it is alongside the trail. Wait. Oh my gosh. Lord. Whew. You hear that? That wind. Okay, I think we're almost there.
Almost to the top.
It's been like 2 weeks since we've hiked, and it kind of sucks. My legs are tired. Hold him. Check it out. Blue blazing. Jack leads the way. Oh. I know. Just him and his stick.
So we come down from McAfee Knob. I feel like it dropped about 10 degrees from the main trail to when we started ascending. It was very beautiful up there. Very cold and windy. Jack wanted to play stick the whole time. But we got pictures and met some nice people that took pictures for us. All in all, it was beautiful. Good trail and good views for our first real video for YouTube. Yeah, so got a couple miles to go. We'll see you at the end. We're about 0.2 miles from the car. been a beautiful trip. Traversing some rocks here, hang on. It's been a beautiful trip. It's been cold, it's been windy, but we're both thankful for the opportunity to do this. I know our hikes aren't like some of the other guys you see on YouTube, but we'll get there, I promise. We've got some things lined up. Really long hikes like the AT and stuff we really want to do, but it's about logistics right now and work schedules and all that. One day. But we appreciate you watching. I know right now we have only one subscriber. That's me. So hopefully we'll get some more subscribers and they enjoy watching our hikes. Every day, every hike we do, we're still learning. We're still figuring out what gear works for us and what gear doesn't. But yeah, having a blast, having fun, and almost done. Appreciate you watching.